Shoulder impingement is a common problem that we treat at Restore Physical Therapy. Impingement is basically when structures in your shoulder become compressed, inflamed, and cause pain during active movements. Usually people with impingement complain of pain in the front, in the side, can radiate down the arm, or even in the back of the arm. And it usually occurs with pressing motions, overhead reaching, lateral reaching, or simply just laying on it. So how does impingement develop? Usually it's attributed to stiffness or poor mechanics in your shoulder joint. There might be lack of mobility in the joint, and there might be even some weakness in your rotator cuff or your scapular stabilizers. People who are more prone to developing impingement are people who have really rounded shoulders. They might be sitting at a desk for most of their day, contributing to that posture, or even weightlifters at the gym who do a lot of bench pressing and overhead pressing. This can all lead to the likelihood of developing shoulder impingement. So if this is something you have encountered and you're developing pain down the front, side, or even back of your arm with lateral reaching, with overhead reaching, with bench pressing, or just simply sleeping on it at night, give us a call to schedule a free discovery session. We can figure out what exactly is going on with your shoulder and then get you back to your activities you love.